Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with PEPE at number 31, followed by Optimism, HBAR, Stacks, OKB, Stellar, Injective, CRO, Render, and then we'll end it with Bittensor at number 40. Let's get straight into it. PEPE against USD. Oof, this was a super duper breakout that came on. The inverse head and shoulders completed, but this was really fast. Super duper fast. And yeah, that's it. We're severely overbought. Of course, you don't go in over here. So what do you do now? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. You have to wait for something like this to happen again. Right. Usually, the width of the consolidation or accumulation is equivalent to the height of the rise. So we've already reached all targets. So, I mean, I'm not saying can't go any higher, but this is not a good area to be going in. Right. This is selling season, not buying season. So you got to wait for something like this to appear again. How long did it take? 287 days. That's about 10 months in the making. Right. Sometimes for 10 months, nothing happens. And after that, within a week or 2 weeks, things just started flying out of nowhere. So yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. And that's PEPE for you. Optimism up against BTC. Here we are for Op. Anything for Optimism? Nope. We are mucking around. Again, we don't know if we're going to form bearish chart patterns. Could we be coming lower to sweep all of these lows? We'll have to see how it goes, right? Up against USDT is already in price discovery. How much higher could we go? Not too sure. Any bearishness? Yeah. Lower high on the MACD, lower high on the RSI, but higher high on the price. Weakness. We can smell weakness. Sure. I'm not saying can't go any higher, but it'd be wise to wait for some consolidation first before doing anything. But to be honest, Optimism's USD price, I mean, the chart patterns just aren't really that clear. So yeah, it's a no-go for us. It's a no-go for us. Hedera hash graph, HBAR against BTC. Here we are for HBAR. Anything for HBAR? Okay, we are hoping that HBAR starts reversing back up. Of course, there's also a danger that HBAR could still head lower and take out these lows. If we take out these lows, then that's not good, right? So we need to see strength come in for HBAR. We need to see buying pressure pushing HBAR's price higher. But we don't see it yet. We're aware of the potential of a rally, but yeah, we're going to have to wait for more information first. However, against the USD pair, there is an ascending triangle. Value 1, value 2, value 3, they were already out. Retested support, continuing higher. We're still expecting 18 cents, 18.5 cents to be precise, to be hit. We'll very likely go past 18.5. So yeah, looks like a shooting star. Not exactly. So we might drop a little bit lower, sweep these lows, and even sweep this low before going back higher, potentially. Yeah, but it's been a slow mover so far. So yeah, I take things one step at a time for Hedera hash graph. Stacks against BTC. Here we are for Stacks. Anything for Stacks? Nope. But the BTC pair looks like it's in an accumulation. About to break out. Ooh, we like this. We absolutely like this because we've already acquired a target. Ta-da! At 12. Okay, let's call it 12,000, right? It's actually 12,000 Satoshis. Right now, we're at 40,000. Yeah, there's still more upside to come. Right, another 196%. But we're in a downwards trend at the moment. So I suspect we'll probably drop to these levels, right? There's a cluster. No cluster. There's a noisy area over here. So my assumption is that we'll drop to this area. Right, probably around 3,005 is my assumption. Right now we are at 4,091. So a little bit more downside first before reversing back up. As long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with our bullish bias for Stacks BTC. Against USD, Stacks is still... are we in price? Yeah, we're in price discovery. We didn't really close above the highs yet. So again, we could be consolidating a little bit first before heading higher. Any high quality tradable chart pattern for us? Nope. Above the skinny pink line? Yes. Remain with a bullish bias for Stacks. But we still need to see some consolidation first. OKB against BTC. So OKB against BTC is not looking good. Right? We are already under the skinny pink line. So we consider the target to be invalidated. OKB against USDT is very close to the target. So close, right? We were also very close to breaking under the skinny pink line, but we didn't. There was a strong rally that came on. So I suspect we'll clear $75 first. Even if you were to see some sort of a retrace, I think we'll clear at 75 first. It's just that we're very weak against BTC. So you want to see strength against BTC, not weakness. But yeah, it looks like we're about to hit target. We are very close to it. We went to 73.88. So close. So yeah, I still think we're going to hit targets though. What are we going to do after hitting targets? Not too sure, but yeah, it's not for longing. Not at this point of time. Stellar Lumens is still super weak. So weak, and it just keeps going lower and lower. So the question we always have is, are we going to take out these lows? Where is the low? Where is the low? Are we going to get a higher low over here? A higher low? Or are we going to get a lower low over here? That's the question. We're not too sure. So yeah, we're still waiting. You want to see the coin gain strength against BTC, not lose strength. Against USD, it's not really that obvious. We still have a strange feeling we might sweep all of these lows before going back up. Right. I still feel like Stellar has potential, but there could be some weird shenanigans before going back higher. Right. I still lean towards us dropping to about 5 cents at this point of time, right? Yeah, we're kind of above, but not really. The skinny pink line, we're knocking on it. So, not too sure. I mean, of course, if a strong rally comes in and we did some sort of a consolidation, sure, I'll switch bullish. But as it stands, yeah, not really looking pretty bullish to me. Injective has been insane. Absolute insanity. Alright, there was a squeeze that came in. If you're around in 2023 September, we noticed this, and after that, BAM! It's out. Now we're in a falling channel. Are we going to continue higher? Or are we going to break the skinny pink line? We're not too sure. We are not too sure. If the bullish season has yet to end, we will anticipate more upside for Injective BTC, which means that Injective against USD would also continue higher. However, we've already noticed a double bearish divergence. High on the price, lower high on the MACD, lower high on the RSI. We could be coming down soon. How much higher could we go? I don't know. I have no idea, but we are very overheated. Even Bitcoin is overheated. Any signs of a reversal yet? Nope. You will know when you see it. You will know when you see it, but you don't see it yet. Not at the moment, right? Even when Injective was about to reverse over here, you see a lower high on the MACD and a lower high on the RSI, but a high on the price. Double bearish divergence. What happens after that? Yeah, Injective collapsed. How much did it collapse? 95%. After that, of course, it went on a Reaper. It went on a Reaper 44x. But again, at the same time, double bearish divergence. So you need to be so careful for Injective. Oh, so careful. CRO against BTC. CRO against BTC. What's happening for CRO? Anything for us to work with? Okay, the hope we have is for CRO to complete A, B, C, D, E, and then we break higher. Best case scenario, absolute best case scenario. We see buying pressure, but every time buying pressure comes in, we always get slapped back down. Buying pressure, are we gonna get slapped back down again? Yes, no? We're not too sure. Right. I mean, of course, if you can squeeze here, it'd be even nicer. And we could break out, right? So, yeah, we're not entirely certain about CRO. Against USD, yeah, we're above the skinny pink line. So we will anticipate more upside. We are severely overbought, so some rest will be welcome. Again, when we were severely overbought over here, we took a break. Have a Kit Kat. Continue higher. Hopefully, take a break. Have some Kit Kat. Continue higher. So at this point of time, yeah, it's no go. No go. You gotta wait for a retrace first. No retrace, no go. Render, RNDR BTC. Here we are for Render. Anything for Render for us? Yeah, Render is bullish, right? You want to see the price go up against BTC. If it is dropping against BTC, nope. Going up, yeah. But for Render BTC, there's no chart pattern for us. So nothing for us to work with for Render BTC. Against USD, Render is, yeah, price discovery. Again, any chart pattern for us? No. The Render whales have not been kind. No clear, high quality tradable chart patterns. TAO against USD. So if you look at TAO, anything for TAO, Okay, TAO has been on a Reaper. Any signs of a continuation? No. Double bearish divergence. Higher high on the price, a lower high on the MACD, lower high on the RSI. So again, there's a dip expected for TAO. Doesn't mean we can't go any higher, but yeah, we could smell the weakness coming in for TAO. So be careful while rushing in. It could just be a small little dip and then we continue higher for sure, but a dip is expected for TAO. I mean, of course, we could also do this and come back down, but yeah, nope. Be very, very careful. The whole market is overheated. So stay safe, boys and girls. All right, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 40. And if you have yet to check out yesterday's top 30, go take a look at it. See you in the next one. Have a great Thursday. Ta-ta.